Namaste. How are all of you? And I'm so happy to be seeing you for guideline 6. वैसे तो I think last time आप सब लोगों ने you have shown me so many stories of you hand pressing your bhakris, drinking your sugar cane, applying ghee to the soles of your feet, eating your raisins with dahi, setting them in dahi, and then of course cooking in your iron kadais and tawa. ये जो फिटनेस प्रोजेक्ट है 2021 का, दिस इज रियली अबाउट रीडिस्कवरिंग ऑल ऑफ द सीक्रेट्स ऑफ आवर किचन एंड स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम इन आवर किचन देन व्हाट वी एवर हैव. And therefore today I present you one more secret of the Indian kitchen, the hand pounded chutney. Now why should you have a hand pounded chutney? Well, very simply because everyone's life needs a little bit of spice. लेकिन अगर इंडियन किचन की आप चटनी खाते हो तो स्पाइस के साथ आपको फाइबर भी मिलता है और बहुत सारे ऐसे न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं जो कि अदरवाइज आपके रोजमर्रा के जिंदगी में आपको नहीं मिलते और उन्हें डाइजेस्ट करना एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली उनको असिमिलेट करना आपके बॉडी के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है. So if you look at the Indian plate, almost everything that we eat is cooked except for the chutney. The chutney is something which doesn't get any kind of a fire treatment. It uses invariably many things. Lekin the most popular chutneys tend to be that of coconut, til, peanut, and you know what the secret is? Each one of them is a carrier of essential fat. Then we also end up having chutneys of dals, we have chutneys of leaves like kadi patta, vitamin sopu, just gongura, so many of them. And ye sari type ki chutneys allow us access to essential fats, to flavonoids, to sterols and fiber, of course. So when we include a chutney in our diet, many benefits come our way. So many that sometimes we may kind of overlook the simple wisdom of adding a chutney to our diet. I'll tell you some of the most common benefits that you will see by adding a chutney. क्या आप ready हैं? Number 1, आपके इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी को वो बेटर करता है. So if you are suffering from diabetes, make sure that you're eating chutney, especially with your lunch. It will reduce the afternoon slump. So if you have thyroid and after eating food, if you feel like lunch के बाद में मेरा दिन खत्म हो जाता है, then it is something that you need to have. If you are going through skin issues, acne आता है, pigmentation आता है, discoloration है neck पे, then it is the chutney that you need. If you have issues like lack of digestion, so again chutney, because chutney will improve the gut bacteria diversity in your diet. If you have issues like low vitamin D and B12, then again a chutney in your diet. If you are the type जिनकी उंगलियों में pain होता है, so then one more time add a chutney to your diet. So for more than one reason, add a chutney to your diet. And very importantly, if you're planning for a baby and if fertility is a cause of concern for you, add chutney to your diet, because like they say, spice is life. तो चटनी को बनाने के लिए आपको क्या यूज करना है? So another secret of the Indian kitchen is to really use chutney, use the stone to crush the chutney. अभी आप पूछोगे stones क्यों? Why stones? So we have typically used stone or wood to pound chutneys. We use stone or wood because both of these are non-conducting materials. मतलब when you crush anything inside them, they don't produce heat of their own. And therefore, all of these heat-sensitive flavonoids and sterols and nutrients, micronutrients, they stay safe. They don't get destroyed. When you make a chutney in the mixer, of course, it's a little convenient and faster. Lekin with that, what happens is that the temperature of the chutney goes up. Even if you touch the mixer, you will find that it has gotten hot. And these micronutrients, if not completely lost, are surely not of optimum benefit for your body. So stone में आपको crush करना है. Anything that is stone crushed a unique flavor, has a unique smell, has a unique texture and a unique color also. ये सारी चीजें जो है ये आप जब चटनी खाओगे तब आप enjoy करने लगोगे. Most of the chutneys, including that of the lasun, which is often a common ingredient which is used in chutneys. You know, बहुत लोग आजकल हार्ट हेल्थ के लिए लाइक लहसुन ऐसा ही खाते हैं. बट वन ऑफ द वेज इन विच इंडिया यूज टू यूज इट इज बाय सिंपली क्रशिंग इट. अ लहसुन ऑन इट्स ओन will not smell at all. You crush it, it will unlock all the nutrients that it has, and that's how it becomes available to the body. It's the same thing with a peanut. On its own, nothing. Crush it and the nutrients are unlocked. But you crush it in a non-conducting material, that's when the nutrients are retained. So the guideline for this week is, of course, have the chutney at least 3 times every week and use it, grind it on a stove. अभी आप बोलोगे कि इसमें टाइम लगेगा, ओके, लेकिन किचन में आप जितना टाइम इन्वेस्ट करोगे बीमारियों से उतना ही टाइम आपका कटेगा. So if you want to save time from being sick, you have to invest more time in the kitchen. And the other very, very important thing that you have to do is make your kitchens gender neutral. People of all genders in your kitchen, in your home, should work in the kitchen so that all of you together have access to good nutrient rich food. I'll tell you one more thing that I do. मेरे पास ये सिर्फ 2 नहीं है, मेरे पास ये भी है तीसरा. Because you know, अदरक also is another spice जो कि क्रश करने के पहले उसका फ्लेवर आपको नहीं मिलता है, वो अनलॉक ही नहीं होता है. But every time that you crush garlic, you know, no matter how well you wash, it will leave behind a little bit of flavor. And then even if you use the same one to crush ginger and to make chai, तो chai में फिर एक weird smell आता है. So my secret tip for you is keep a separate one for the garlic, and you can use the big one for making big chutneys. You can use the small one for making small chutneys. लेकिन चालू कीजिए अभी, bring back it's called Padavarvanta in Marathi. Bring back the stone crushers into your kitchen. That's where they belong, and good health belongs to you. Gain it back with these really simple tips. I hope you enjoyed the tip today. I look forward to your stories of crushing chutneys. And now if you have any questions, then I'm ready to answer them. Well, it seems that today there are no questions. How interesting. Good. I'm glad that there are no questions. Start crushing the chutney and start using it. Oh yeah, there's one more question that I thought of. Can I add kacha tel to my chutney? Yes, you can. You can make the chutney. Invariably, when you make chutney of things like, you know, peanuts or til, if you can see, you know, you can already see a little bit of oil here. So आपको दिख रहा है मेरे फिंगर पे already उसका little bit oil आने लगा है. But in this, on this, you can also add a little bit of your kacha tel if that's how you prefer it. Every time that I'm short on time and I don't have the time to cook a dal and sabzi, what I eat is bhakri and chutney.
Okay, there is a question about cholesterol and diabetes, that people who have cholesterol or diabetes, can they have chutneys?
Yes, they very much in fact should have chutneys, you know. All the ingredients with which we traditionally make chutneys, whether it is coconut, peanut, til, ginger, garlic, different kinds of greens and leaves, kadi patta and stuff like that, they are full of antioxidants and good fat. It will only protect your heart, even your kidney, your liver, all of your organs. In fact, chutney is also one of the ways of ensuring that there is a steady supply of antioxidants to your body, and then it actually works in anti-aging. So you don't really need to buy expensive antioxidant pills or go for Botox treatment. All that you have to do is learn to crush that chutney in a way where the antioxidants are retained in the chutney that you're eating.
Do we need to make chutneys every day, or we can make them once and store it?
You can make them once and save it for a while. Okay, especially the ones which you use other than coconut, because coconut will go bad because it's a fresh ingredient, but the other ones, they will stay almost for a week. Depends at the rate at which you finish them.
Okay, so a lot of people are asking that what is the chutney that we should start with if we don't make chutney in the kitchen? So what is the easiest?
My recommendation would be the peanut chutney, because peanuts with currently ये जो time चल रहा है pandemic का, WFH का, and the kind of problems that people are facing, hair loss, changes to their gut and stuff like that, the one thing which will fix it really well is peanuts. So peanuts chutney is extremely important. In fact, अभी जो US government का recent guideline आया था, वहाँ पे भी the guideline has said that please start eating peanuts. I mean, it is something that people used to, that in the US people would stay away from earlier, peanuts, but now that they have understood the kind of role that it plays in one's health, and especially in terms of gut health, and especially how useful it could be for little children, even they are asking you to eat peanuts. But yeah, starter chutney is always